What is the worst thing you have caught a family member doing? I caught my husband, 26 male, getting head from my 14-year-old sister. My husband and I were over at my mom's house today, where my little sister stays. We were in the kitchen talking about how my sister pierced her ears at home without any ice, and pushed the needle right through her ear. My sister goes, "I don't know, the pain felt kinda good," and chuckled, leaving the room. After she leaves, my husband goes, "I bet she'd love rough intimacy," and laughs. I'm frankly appalled at this point. Fast forward a few hours and my sister starts name-calling my husband over text in a playful way. They start name-calling each other back and forth over text. She called him a little pee-pee beach, he says, "Seek sucker." I leave the room to go to the bathroom, and when I come back in, I heard her say, "At least if I had a wife I'd make her finish." He laughs and says, "You'll have to ask my wife about that," and continues to engage in this weird sexualized conversation. The whole thing really rubbed me the wrong way. The name-calling seemed to turn intimate fast, and it felt off to me. The next time we went over, the both got straight back into it, even around my mother. While we were playing Monopoly, my sister needed to pay her rent to him.